My passion is that pets become a part of the family. God put it upon my heart really early in life to become a veterinarian. I wanted my veterinary practice to be like Disney World. I wanted it to be clean. I didn't want there to be odors. I didn't want there to be screaming animals. I didn't want it to be the carnival of veterinary practices. I wanted it to be the Disney World.
From the doctors to the techs to the receptionists, everyone who works at Main Street is incredibly professional.
They're created with friendly staff members that are efficient in helping them up front. Then a full exam, we give our clients 40 minutes, again, not 20 minutes in the exam room. So we want to be thorough, but at the same time, we don't want our clients waiting up front. We want that 40 minutes to be spent with the technician and the veterinarian in the room. We like for people to know that we're not a hospital. So it simply means that we're keeping above the standard of care. We have in-house laboratory. We have digital radiography, which means that when we take an x-ray, it's very quick. Plus we can email you the picture. We also have ultrasound in-house. So we try to offer everything that we can so that you can get an answer here at this practice and not have to travel around.
And of course they have one of the best dentists in the world here for pets.
We do in-arms recovery. When they go into surgery, the staff member that's in charge of that surgery stays with that patient from the moment they go down to the moment they wake up.
So it's like total patient care. I know that sounds like a thing you'd hear about a human, but again, we treat our dog like he's human.
I trust their recommendations and I feel like my pets are in really good hands here.
It's been a great relationship from day one.
If you're looking for the best that we have in Flower Mound and you want the kind of care that you'd want for yourself, you need to come to Main Street.
It really is the best job in the world. We really do get to play with animals all day long. Yes, there's some stressful parts, but it's everything I dreamed that it would be.